Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 49, group anagrams. It is a medium level problem on the LeetCode and also it is one of the most famous problems to be asked on the interviews also. So let's look at the problem statement. Here we are given an array of strings strs. Group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So the problem even here is pretty straightforward. We have given an input strings, array of strings, and we need to group all the anagrams together. So let's understand. All we need to know is what is anagram. So two strings can be called anagram if they have the same letter and the frequencies are same and they differ in only the rearrangement of these characters in the strings. So the brute force approach of this problem can be, we can take every string and compare if it is an anagram of other or not and group all the strings. But the time complexity of this question will be order of n square. However, we need to optimize this approach. So let's understand how we can optimize it. As I said, to we can we need to understand the fact that we need to use the anagram. So what properties of the anagram we can take advantage of? So let's look at this example, silent and listen. As I said, the two strings which have the same letters and the frequencies of the strings are same are called anagram. If I just sort both of the strings, they need to look alike, as you can see here. So what can we do? Can we take advantage of these properties of the anagram? Let's look here. If we take hash map, the left side of this column of the hash map, the key part, will store the sorted part of the string, and on the right side of the hash map, the value part will store the groups of the original strings. So let's look at the input here. If we take it and sort it, if it at first it is not present, so we will store it here, and the corresponding part of the string will store on the right side. Same, if we move to the T, we sort it, it is already present, so we just need to store the corresponding part of the string T on the right side. And as for the 10, it is not present, so at first we need to store the sorting part of the string at the left side and the corresponding part of the string at the right side. Same goes here, it is already present, so we need to store the corresponding part here in the group net. After sorting, it become A and D. It is already present, so just need to corresponding part to be stored in the group. Same goes here, that present as a one single group, so we just store it here as the same like other. So let's begin. How can we solve it? First, we will take a vector. So we will traverse through the array and take the string and we will sort the string. We need to create a hash map here. The left side part of this hash map will store the sorted string and the right side part will store the group of the corresponding strings. Now we will traverse through the map. At the left side of the hash map, we have stored a group of the strings, which is also present in the vector form. So we just need to push this the left side part of the hash map in the vector we have created here. Let's check if it satisfies the not. Okay, let's try to submit it. So yeah, that's it for this problem and from my side too. Thank you very much, guys.